My fellow Jamaicans, Labor Day signals the end of Workers' Week, in which the nation pays tribute to all our workers. It is also a time when we reflect on Jamaica's proud history of struggle and the triumph of our workers and their representatives. We celebrate the pioneering efforts of the early stalwarts and the leaders of the trade union movement. We salute their role in defending the rights and interests of the workers of Jamaica. Today, we recall their struggles from the 1930s. Their widespread labor protests resulted in the legal recognition of trade unions. They laid the groundwork for the right to collective bargaining and the other economic and social advances enjoyed by our workers today. Both Workers' Week and Labor Day provide an opportunity for us to reflect on the struggles and sacrifices of Jamaican workers over many centuries. They have been instrumental in building the strong foundations for a better Jamaica. We salute our workers in all areas of national life, in education, agriculture, sanitation, household helpers and gardeners, the health sector, hospitality and tourism, sports, the arts, the public sector, the security services, industry and commerce, finance, transportation, manufacturing, mining, the booming business process outsourcing industry, and all other areas. Their diligent work and accomplishments contribute greatly to the growth and development of Jamaica. Recognizing the importance of individual and collective effort to national development, the Most Honorable Michael Manley in the 1970s led the nation in a campaign to put work into Labor Day. He believed then, as I do today, that when we come together, we can build strong communities and a better Jamaica for all. Over the years since then, Jamaicans from all walks of life have turned out in large numbers on Labor Day to work as volunteers in their communities. Many children's homes, parks, schools, hospitals, health centers, police and fire stations, as well as other facilities, have benefited from voluntary work on Labor Day. I use this opportunity to commend all those who volunteer their time, talents, and other resources to improve their communities and their country on Labor Day. I encourage others to join in giving back to our communities and country through voluntary service. This year, Labor Day is being observed under the theme, "For Health's Sake, Keep It Clean." The theme is a call to action. It is a call for all citizens to work together to ensure that we safeguard the health of our families, communities, and country. The activities for this Labor Day will focus on cleanup and repair projects, as well as the identification and removal of mosquito breeding sites. Preventing and controlling the outbreak of vector-borne diseases is vital to ensuring a healthy environment for all of us, for you and for your children. When our living spaces and surroundings encourage unhealthy agents, such as mosquitoes, there's great danger to health and safety, especially for vulnerable groups. My fellow Jamaicans, a healthy environment is vital for the development of Jamaica in sustainable ways. That is why it is often said that the health of a nation is the wealth of a nation. Let Labor Day this year be a time of new resolve to continue doing everything we can to build our families, communities, and our nation. Let us combine our efforts this Labor Day 2016 to make every nook and cranny of Jamaica healthy, clean, and nice. God bless you and crown your efforts, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.